Yeah, we can probably get that taken care of. I think we'll just ship it out. Oh, hey, welcome to the wrap bay. Well, it's not actually the wrap bay. It is a bay. We don't do any wrapping here. What we do is we produce apparel. Apparel just like this. We had tons of it. So what we decided to do was make a bunch of apparel. So I know what you're thinking. These guys made a YouTube channel and now they want to get rid of all their merchandise. They want to try to profit off of the merchandise on the channel. That's not the case at all. In all actuality, we had all the merchandise already. We had already created it all. So we needed a way to get rid of it. What better way to do that than YouTube? So here we are on YouTube. And we've done all of this just for you. Just to make all of this amazing merchandise available to you. Apparel for you, your friends, and your family. Apparel you can work in, hang out with your friends in, buy it as a gift. So click the link below in the description and purchase some stuff for your family and friends. And from all of us at the Wrap Bay, happy holidays.